Ever wondered how creators turn passion into profit? In this tutorial, we will reveal the secrets to maximizing your Patreon experience. Whether you are an artist, writer, or content creator, join us to discover how to build a community, earn sustainable income, and connect with your biggest fans. Let's get started on your journey to success. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how to use Patreon tutorial. First of all, what you have to do is open your browser and dive into patreon.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So let's know about the pricing first. So as you can see, about the pricing, it's for free. You can just get started right now and you click over get started and you write your email address and your password and you confirm it's your password. Then you can also use other options like Google, Apple, or Facebook. You write your email here and you get started. We have joined an over than 250,000 creators building fandom. So, what is Patreon? Patreon is a membership platform that enables creators to earn a sustainable income by providing exclusive content and experiences to their supporters or patrons. It serves as a bridge between creators such as artists, musicians, and writers and podcasters also, and their audience, allowing fans to financially support their work on a recurring basis as well. By offering various membership tiers, creators can provide different levels of access and perks, fostering a closer connection with their community. In essence, Patreon empowers creators to monetize their content while giving patrons a way to directly support the artists they love, creating a symbiotic relationship that benefits both parties. So to get started, you have just to click over login. Once you do that, you write here your email address. You can also use Google or Apple or Facebook. Click over continue. Then you write your password. Then you write your password here, as you can see. So it's very helpful and useful to use Patreon because it's for podcasters and create content, also for influencers or other things. This is the home page as you can see. So using a Patreon is straightforward and can be broken down into a few key steps. First, create an account on the Patreon website and set up your creator profile, which includes your pure profile picture and a compelling description of what you offer. Next, define your membership tiers, outlining the different levels of support and the exclusive rewards patrons will receive at each tier. Once your tiers are set, customize your page with engaging visuals and content that reflects your brand. After that, promote your Patreon page through your social media channels, website, or email newsletter to attract potential patrons. Finally, consistently deliver on your promises by providing valuable content and engaging with your community to build lasting relationships with your supporters. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your passion into a sustainable income stream on Patreon. So here we have YouTube. You can choose also other things. So for example, here we have your Patreon is ready. Here is how to make it yours. First, adding some details helps visitors learn more about you and what you plan to share here. We have here first add profile photo. Then we have here describe your page, let people know who are you and what you will be using Patreon for. If you click over it, you'll find here this page. Into a video here, you can just write your video URL and you write here at the short review to let people know about who are you, what you create, and why you are on Patreon. Then you have your social, help people find you wherever you are. Connect your other accounts to show them on your page. We will never post on your behalf. You have your YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Twitch, and TikTok, and then you click over save. Then we have also Make your first public post. Let fans know what to expect with a welcome post or a bonus piece of work that's available to everyone. Public posts are shared more and can bring in more visitors. You click over here. You can just choose text, video, audio, pull, link, image also. So I will show you how you do that. You have then publish your post. This is it. It's time to go live with your page. Then you have to tell people, share your page with your audience so people can start joining. About this one, you have just to click over here. You choose text or video or live stream or other things. So I choose text. You can just add the title here. Then how's your next things coming? Then we have upload your attachment and you click over next. For example here, 7 products. How's your next things coming? So new Kyrie's shoes. Then you click over next, and here we have some products. Who can access this post? You click if it's public, paid members only, free members only. For example, I will choose this one, or I will choose public also. Then you have your set a release date also here. Then we have allow comments on this post, all members. Then you have notify members when this post goes live. So let's come back. Then we have a create collection also. About this one, we have select image, collection title, then description here also, and you click over create collection. So let's come back. Then we have here collection as I did before. Then we have membership here. All your paid membership income you can count on acquiring income from your biggest fans. Then you have start with what you'll have. Offer something you are already excited to share with your fans, plus some added perks. Then you have grow your creative business, get insights on your members, create exclusive member only chats, and more. You click over get started. Once you do that, you will find this page. Choose what to offer. Then you have here, it's best to start with a few component benefits that you feel good about. Then you have your benefits. Should I offer bonus content, behind the scenes content, access to a community chat, member only voting? Then you have early access. You have just to write your child name, your monthly price. Then you have your child description. Then you have cover image. You add cover image, child benefits. You add benefits here. Then you have your free trial also, and you have advanced here, limit the number here, ask members for a shipping, Discord access, and that's it. So this is how it works with patreon.com. You can just get started right now. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.